Hi everyone, it's Amy with Expressions Vinyl. How is everybody doing today on this wonderful Friday? Who do we have online and where are you guys tuning from? Also, what projects are you guys currently working on? One of the things I want to talk about today is these awesome packs. So if you haven't seen these yet, these are really fun. We have our heat transfer as well as our adhesive pack. So you can see all these fun patterns, some flamingos. You can never go wrong with flamingos for summertime. Some pineapples. So I mean, there's just so much fun to work with. And today I'm going to create a project using the Sunny Tropics adhesive vinyl. So if you tuned in yesterday, Jessica had a giveaway on her Facebook Live, and our winner for yesterday is Tracy Moses. So congratulations, Tracy. You won this awesome collection of adhesive and heat transfer vinyl. So we are going to be doing another giveaway today. Share it in order to win this awesome collection. So who would love to win these 4 awesome packs? So in order to win, make sure that you share this and we'll see who wins. So good luck. So anybody online today? Who do we have?
Got a few people on, Jerry and Barbara.
Hi Jerry, hi Barbara.
When are we going to pick a winner for this one?
Tuesday. So tune in on Tuesday and the winner will be announced. So
awesome.
Great. Ready to get started? Okay. So, like I said, I'm going to be showing you a project with this fun pack. It has some pink flamingos as well as this pineapple. To be honest, I totally messed up my pineapple pattern, so I opted to go with the flamingo, but it turned out just as awesome. And this one's really fun. It has some glitter, some luster, some polished metal, as well as a series collection, and a metallized chrome. So it's a really fun pack to kind of play around with a variety of different types of vinyl. And so today I'm going to need your guys' help. This is what I have so far, but I'm not quite sure if I should just continue the pattern or if I should just add a pop of color. And it was really easy and fun to make these geometric shapes, whatever you want to call them, within your program. It's just a matter of using the shapes tool, and my advice is to start on the outer edges and then start filling it in. That way your shapes all look nice and even and it doesn't look like a complete mess, because my first try it was a complete mess. So that's a really fun thing to do, especially with pattern, just to kind of, there's just so much you can do with it. And so I like the pink to kind of go with the whole pink theme. I wasn't quite sure if I should just use it for the bottom piece or just, like I said, continue with the flamingo. So what do you guys think?
How about if we do a thumbs up if you want the pattern, do a heart if you want the pink.
And then what's going to go on there next is this Aloha pineapple. This one is the metallized brushed chrome, which is really fun to work with. So that's going to go on there, and then depending on what we add on the bottom, we can add some green or some midnight blue, or just stick with some awesome pink. You can never go wrong with pink. So
It's pretty even, but it looks like the pop of color is winning.
Pop of color. Okay, that's kind of what I was leaning towards, but I just needed your guys' help. So I already went and applied the first 2 layers. Very simple, pretty easy. You just measure with this board. It was cut up into 3 sections, and that's how I determined how much to cut for each. And so this is the bottom layer. I already put some transfer tape. I just love the paper, so I stuck with paper. And there's multiple ways you can actually apply it. I'm just going to start from one end and work my way to the other end. So I like to tear off a little bit on the back and then just center it, make sure it's even. And then the application tool, just work. So it's a fairly simple project, very easy to do. There's so much you can do with the pattern vinyl. Have any of you guys actually worked with any other types of pattern vinyl, and what have you guys done with it? Okay, so I'm just going to remove the transfer tape now. And I did put a layer of some ivory paint over the wood just so the vinyl could stick a lot better. And you can see that the transfer tape came right off and I didn't have any issues. So that's always good.
A bunch of people said they just got their packs. Jerry, she put it on tumblers.
So fun.
Lots of projects.
It's fun with letterings. Just adds that little extra dimension to it. Okay, so I'm going to put transfer tape on the pineapple next. And you don't actually have to trim your images out. I just wanted to see how it would actually look if I were to apply it on. So kind of give me a better idea. So does anybody have any fun summer plans coming up? It's finally June, which is crazy. Went by too fast. Ready to...
So many people are saying they got their packs, these packs that we just showed.
Awesome.
They're limited edition, so if you want one, make sure you get one.
Yep.
And make sure you share your projects with us.
Yeah, steal your guys' ideas. Just kidding. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to center it right in the middle. And just peel off the bottom. And work my way to the top. So does anybody have any questions so far? This pineapple image I got from the Silhouette store. I'm sure you can easily find a ton of cute pineapple images everywhere and anywhere, so they're not limited.
Patty says, in love with this. Megan, she had a large box full of treasures waiting for her this morning with her order. Barbara loves the app, works great.
Yeah, which reminds me, if you haven't used the app yet, make sure to check it out. It's really nice. You can do all your shopping on the app, get everything you need. So that's what we have so far. And then the last thing is just filling in the lettering. I had 3 different colors. Wasn't sure if I wanted to add a pop of blue, go green, or just stick with our awesome pink, flamingo pink to be exact. What do you guys think?
Lavera says, love it. My daughter just got back from Hawaii. She would love this.
Fun. That'd be cute for a bedroom or a bathroom or anywhere.
So far I can see 2 for pink, 1 for blue. Let's see, they're coming in. Pink,
And blue.
pink, blue,
Pink.
pink. I think pink is the
Let's
winner
go with
right
pink.
now.
You can't go wrong with lots of pink.
Flamingo pink.
Flamingo pink. Series 51. So I just put clear transfer tape just because it'll probably help me, so I'm not perfect, but I think I could get it right. I forgot to put in my little tab, so let's see. Awesome. Okay. There we go. I think the pink looks awesome. What do you guys think? Super easy, super fun. So much you can do with the pattern. Make sure to place your order or share it if you want to win the whole collection. The winner will be announced Tuesday. Also, don't forget to check out the app. And does anybody have any last minute questions?
I don't think there's any questions, but show them a quick, what they win and quick view of those again.
So this one is the Sunny Tropics adhesive, the one that I just used. It comes with the flamingo that we just saw, as well as this fun striped pineapple, and all sorts of fun colors with that. The Summer Breeze, this one is the adhesive as well, so lots of fun colors as well, fun patterns. And then our heat transfer, which is exactly the same as our adhesive, but just, of course, heat transfer. So whatever projects you guys have, I'm sure you can find a way to squeeze in those awesome patterns. So make sure to share it and like it, and we'll see you guys next time. Have a good day. Have a good weekend.